Calphalon knows that perfect results begin with precise, even heat. And the new Calphalon Quartz Heat Countertop Oven delivers. With 11 precision cooking functions and even heat technology to carefully regulate temperature and generate 40% more even heat. So no matter what you're making, it will be evenly baked, dehydrated, or crisp. The Turbo Convection feature circulates air quickly and evenly for perfection in every serving. Calphalon Appliances.
The new Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven provides you with a healthier, easy-to-use cooking method that produces great-tasting treats by using less fat. Air frying, which uses powerful ultra-hot air and 98% less oil than deep frying, is a healthier way to cook. Prepare your delicious fried favorites from wings and fritters to fries and shrimp using little or no fat in the cooking process. The Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven is a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer, which means it uses a combination of hot air, high blower velocity, and 4 upper heating elements to not only bake, toast, and broil, but also to air fry your favorite foods. Frying your favorite crispy foods with less fat, baking, broiling, and toasting. Now you can be guilt-free and enjoy the crunch without the calories with the new Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven Broiler. It's really nice inside. It's quite large. It's 0.6 cubic feet. It holds a 12-inch pizza. It's 1,500 watts of power. It can go all the way from a warm function up to broil. So if you want to keep something warm in case somebody gets home late from work, you can keep it on warm. It works great. The other thing is it has a baking rack and also a roasting rack. It also has a slide out rack there. It also has a removable crumb tray. It removes from the front. That helps you keep your oven clean. It also has a non-stick interior, which you just wipe up in case you get any spatters and splatters. You can also toast using this. You can toast anything from bagels and bread to even English muffins. It has a 30-minute timer, and also this controls your toasting function. It depends on how dark you want it. So darker here or lighter here, and then it automatically is shut off. It has warm, broil, bake, toast, and convection on this knob, and this is your temperature control. This will indicate that your oven is operating with this red light here. It's beautifully designed, has a rolled handle for the doorknob, and you'll find it really great for using every day or as an extra oven when you are entertaining at home.
Embark on your next delicious adventure with the COSORI Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The high contrast LED display and precise control knob, together with a sleek, matte finish, bring style and versatility to your countertop. with 12 cooking functions and smart capabilities through the free VSync app. You'll have everything you need to satisfy any craving. Rapid heat circulation and air crisp technology. Cook your food quickly and evenly, so you can whip up new favorites for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and everything in between.